Welcome to another video, and we're here at the Cheshire Egg vending machine, and I thought this would be a really exciting video for us to do for you today. So the story about this is all about COVID. So all the eggs are freshly laid here at this farm, and obviously when COVID hit, they got all these eggs for sale, and obviously they had to close down and they couldn't sell them, so they decided to set up an egg vending machine. Just a little bit more, here's some of the photographs around here. Cheshire Farms competition egg arable unit triumphs. Egg size is explained, so I know nothing about cooking or eggs, and it tells you everything that you need to know there. RSPCA assured. Free range eggs, fresh and tasty free range eggs. So these hens have acres of woodlands and pastures to pet, graze and explore. And they all have sandpit, swings, straw, shelters, and even a trampoline to keep them entertained. Some wonderful pictures there. Really like that one. And again, you can choose full trays, absolutely anything that you want. So that one's a large dozen for £3. And what a great idea. So let's check it out and take a look. So I'm going to have a large half a dozen at £1.50. So we can put in, it is cash only, no cards. So £1.50, and we can type in then 50, and let's have a look. And there we go. So this is an egg vending machine. Something really, really cool. So just a short video for you today. So if you ever get stuck and all the shops are closed, or we get another COVID or anything like that, you can come to the egg vending machine. And I think it was an excellent idea. And hopefully you're going to find this an excellent video. So as you can see, the date is on the box, stamped as well. So hopefully, again, if you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video soon. So again, make sure you come to the Cheshire Egg Company and the egg vending machines. Pretty cool. See you soon. Remember as well, this is actually open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So 2 o'clock in the morning, you need some eggs, nowhere's open, even Tesco's closed. You can come to the Cheshire Egg vending machine. Excellent. See you on the next one.